Sponsored by
PhD, MPhil किसी भी विषय में डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKTF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशन्स ओपन।
In a dramatic escalation of regional tensions, Israel has conducted its first ever airstrikes inside Yemen, retaliating against Houthi rebels who launched a deadly drone attack on Tel Aviv. Following Israel's airstrikes on Houthi positions in Yemen, the Iran-backed group retaliated with a missile strike aimed at Eilat, a city on Israel's Red Sea coast. The Israeli military successfully intercepted the incoming missile, averting potential casualties. In response, the Houthis claimed responsibility for the attack, citing what they termed as aggression by the United States, United Kingdom, and Israel against Yemen. The exchange marks a significant intensification in the Middle East conflict, underscoring the widening scope of regional hostilities involving multiple international actors. On Saturday, Israel launched its first ever strikes against Houthi targets in Yemen, marking a dramatic escalation from its previous approach. The attack, named Operation Outstretched Arm, involved Israeli warplanes striking approximately 10 locations in Houthi-controlled territory, notably the strategic Red Sea port of Hodeidah. According to reports, Houthis struck the power plants, petrol stations and oil depots targeted in the strikes for military purposes. Photographs from this scene depicted the locations in Hodeidah ablaze throughout the night. Notably, the attack comes just after the International Court of Justice declared Israel's occupation of the West Bank and East Jerusalem a breach of international law on July 19. It urged Israel to cease its presence in Palestinian territories as soon as possible. The ruling marks a significant legal stance on the long-standing Israeli-Palestinian conflict. During the 9-month-long conflict in the Middle East, the Houthis, based in Yemen and known for their hostility towards Israel, have escalated their aggression by launching over 200 attacks directly at Israel. These attacks, purportedly supported by Iran, primarily involve ballistic missiles, cruise missiles and drones and have specifically targeted Eilat, the southernmost city on the Red Sea. This escalation highlights Israel's precarious security situation and the persistent threat posed by extremist organizations. Since October 2023, when the Israel-Hamas war started, the Houthis have launched hundreds of strikes in the Red Sea, causing disruptions to international trade. They have engaged in hostilities with US and UK, knives stationed in the area to protect the areas from Houthi aggression as well as hijackings of ships. Israeli airstrikes on Houthi-controlled targets in Yemen have sparked international alarm following reports from local authorities that the raids injured 80 people. Meanwhile, Israel's Foreign Minister Israel Katz described the strikes as a deterrent aimed at sending a clear message to Hezbollah and Iran. Katz emphasized that the operation demonstrated Israel's resolve, particularly in the face of potential Iranian threats, given Iran's proximity to Yemen. The airstrikes have significantly increased Israel's involvement in the Yemeni crisis, raising concerns about potential broader regional implications.